Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a screen recorder one. For me it is right over here, but if you don't see yours on the first page, you can swipe to the left. This will show you a second page of the toggles, and if you don't see it on here either, you can tap on a pencil, and here this will then display toggles that are turned off, so you can just grab them, drag them over, drop them, and then you have access to them. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to this page right here. So once you see this toggle, you can hold it, hopefully. No, never mind, it doesn't do anything when you hold it. And check one more thing. Same thing. So I guess when you tap on it, it just brings you the limited amount of options that we have. So we can record audio. By default, it will select the device, which isn't actually turned on. So you can tap on a drop down right here, and you have device, microphone, or both. So if you're planning to record any kind of audio, just make sure you toggle it on. If you don't care for any audio, you can keep this off. And then you also have the option to show touches on the screen. So wherever your finger touches the display, it will record on the screen as a semi-transparent gray dot. I'm gonna turn it on just so you can see how that looks like. Now from there, I'm gonna select start, which will begin recording after the countdown goes down. There we go. So whatever I'll do right now, like I said, will be recorded. So you can open up apps, obviously. Just open up something like Dialer, for instance. Just fiddle around in here. And once you're done recording, you can pull down your notifications once more. Click right here to stop. And this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. And you can see it right over here. So you can see that was where my finger was pressing right here. So there we go. Now there is one little thing to keep in mind. When you're recording, not every app will allow you to record it, which in itself is a little bit of a BS, but I want to just make sure that everybody is aware of that. So if you encounter that you try to record something and you find out later on when you're playing back that the video that you recorded or screen that you recorded is just straight up black, then you have encountered an application that just tries to block it. And to name a few applications that I know that do this, so for the most part, any kind of bank application will be blocking screen recordings. Netflix and majority of the streaming applications do the same thing. So you will be able to record audio, but not video. Now, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.